The two basic types of adventitious or added breath sounds are the discontinuous sounds, crackles, and the continuous sounds, wheezes and rhonchi. Crackles are intermittent, non-musical, and brief, like dots in time. Fine crackles are soft, high-pitched, and very brief. Coarse crackles are louder, lower-pitched, and longer. Compared to crackles, wheezes and rhonchi last much longer and sound more musical. Wheezes are relatively high-pitched and have a hissing or shrill quality. Rhonchi have a lower-pitched, snoring quality. Normal breath sounds are classified by their intensity, pitch, and duration during inspiration and expiration. Vesicular breath sounds are soft and low-pitched. They're normally heard during inspiration and the first third of expiration, and can be heard throughout most of the lung fields. Bronchial breath sounds are louder and higher in pitch than vesicular sounds. The expiratory sound lasts longer than the inspiratory sound, and a silent gap separates these two sounds. Normally, bronchial breath sounds are sometimes heard over the manubrium. Bronchovesicular sounds have an intermediate pitch and intensity. Inspiratory and expiratory sounds are about equal in duration, and a silent gap may or may not separate them. These sounds may be heard in the first and second interspaces anteriorly, and between the scapulae posteriorly. Let's listen to these sounds again to compare them. Bronchial, bronchovesicular, and vesicular sounds, in that order. Again, bronchial, bronchovesicular, and vesicular sounds.